Introduction to plant reproduction. Plants reproduce through various methods, ensuring their survival and continuation across generations. The process of plant reproduction involves both sexual and asexual methods, each playing a vital role in plant diversity and ecosystem health. Pollination is a crucial aspect of sexual reproduction in many plants, facilitating the transfer of genetic material and enabling the formation of seeds. Sexual reproduction in plants. Sexual reproduction in plants involves the fusion of male and female gametes to produce seeds. This process begins with the production of pollen, male gametes, and ovules, female gametes. In flowering plants, the male gametes are contained within the pollen grains produced by the anthers, while the female gametes are found in the ovules located in the ovary of the flower. Pollination, the transfer of pollen to the ovule, is essential for fertilization to occur. Asexual reproduction in plants. Asexual reproduction, or vegetative reproduction, allows plants to produce offspring without the need for gamete fusion. This method involves the growth of new plants from vegetative parts such as roots, stems, or leaves. Examples include runners in strawberries, tubers in potatoes, and bulbils in garlic. Asexual reproduction results in offspring that are genetically identical to the parent plant, which can be advantageous in stable environments. The role of pollination. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from the male part of a flower, the stamen, to the female part, the pistil, of the same or another flower. This transfer enables fertilization, where pollen grains germinate and travel down the style to reach the ovule. Pollination can occur through various agents, including wind, water, insects, birds, and animals. Each agent plays a unique role in ensuring the transfer of pollen between flowers. Pollinators and their importance. Insect pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, and beetles, are vital for the pollination of many flowering plants. These insects are attracted to flowers by their color, scent, and nectar, transferring pollen as they move from one flower to another. Birds, such as hummingbirds and bats, also contribute to pollination, especially in tropical regions. The activities of these pollinators support plant reproduction and contribute to the production of fruits and seeds. Self-pollination versus cross-pollination. Pollination can be categorized into self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination occurs when pollen from the same flower or plant fertilizes the ovule, leading to offspring that are genetically similar to the parent. Cross-pollination involves the transfer of pollen between different plants, promoting genetic diversity. Cross-pollination is often encouraged by the presence of different pollinators and environmental factors that facilitate the movement of pollen. Seed development and dispersal. Once pollination and fertilization occur, seeds begin to develop within the ovary of the flower. The fertilized ovule becomes a seed, containing an embryo, a food supply, and a protective seed coat. After seed development, dispersal mechanisms help seeds spread to new locations, where they can germinate and grow into new plants. Seed dispersal can occur through wind, water, animals, or mechanical means. Environmental and ecological impact. Pollination and plant reproduction are critical for maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. Plants rely on successful pollination to produce seeds and fruits, which in turn provide food and habitat for various organisms. Disruptions to pollination processes, such as habitat loss or declines in pollinator populations, can impact plant reproduction and overall ecosystem stability. Conclusion. The significance of plant reproduction and pollination. Plant reproduction, through both sexual and asexual methods, is essential for the continuation and diversity of plant species. Pollination plays a central role in sexual reproduction, enabling the transfer of genetic material and the formation of seeds. Understanding the mechanisms of plant reproduction and the importance of pollinators highlights their critical role in maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring the survival of plant species.